Okay. So, in this video po is magsosolve naman po tayo ng mga common na mga RMA board exam problems, no, na kadalasan pong lumalabas sa mga board exam. Okay? So, ito yung unang question natin. So, a charge of 40 coulomb flows in 8 seconds. So, we need to determine the current. Okay, solution. Okay, so for this one, so hinahanap ay current. So, alam natin na yung current is equal to the charge divided by the time. Ano? Yung time po dito is in seconds. So, we have 40 coulomb. Yan po yung charge natin. Divided by 8 seconds. So, we have 40 divided by 8. So, that is 5 amperes, no? Which is letter C. Okay? Next po tayo. A current of 5 amperes flows through a 12 ampere resistor. So, find the voltage. Okay? So, solution. So, this is just basic Ohm's law po, which is I is equals to V over R. So, yung voltage pa yung hanap. Okay, so bahin natin. So, yung Ohm's law na gagamitin na formula natin is V is equals to I times R. Okay. Yung ating voltage is 5 amperes. Yung ating current is 5 amperes. Habang yung ating resistance is 12 ohms. So 5 times 12, that will be 60 volts, no, which is letter B. Okay, next po. A 220 volt source draw 11 amperes. So we need to find the resistance. Okay, solution. Okay, so we have hinahanap po yung resistance. So R is equals to V over I. So you have 220 volts, no, divided by 11 amperes. So R is equal to 20 ohms. Okay. So if gusto niyo po mas matutunan po kung ano yung Ohm's law, so meron po akong deep discussion tungkol sa Ohm's law at basic electricity sa video ko po na dinidiscuss ko po yung tungkol doon sa Ohm's law at basic electricity. So you could find po the link, no, dito po sa taas ng video or sa description po ng video ito. Okay? So let's proceed to number 4. A motor operates at 230 volts and draws 10 amperes. So we need to find the current. Okay? Solution. So yung hinahanap po natin dito is the current. Okay? So given po yung power at yung power pala yung hinahanap. So given yung current at voltage. So this is power is equals to V times I. So we have 230 volts times the current of 10 amperes. So we have 230 times 10. So this is equals to 2,300 watts, no? Which is letter C. Okay, next. So a 100 watt lamp operates for 5 hours. So we need to determine the consumed energy. So sa choices po natin are both kilowatt hour. Okay, so solution. So dapat po yung gagamitin natin na unit sa pagsosolve is kilowatt hour. Okay, so we have the energy is equals to the power times time. Ang time po dito is in kilowatt hour, is in hours po, pero ang choices po natin is naka-kilowatt, so we need to divide this one by 1,000 para yung unit po natin is kilowatt hour agad. Okay, so we have 100, no, 100 watts, no, times 5 hours, no, divide 1,000. So this will be 500, no, watt hour po ito, no, divide 1,000. So this will be equal to 0.5, no, 500 divided by 1,000 is 0.5 kilowatt hour, no, which is letter B. Okay, next po. So find the conductance of a 25 ohm resistor. Okay, so conductance po hinahanap. So yung conductance po, no, is just the reciprocal of resistance. So G po yung symbol ng conductance. So that is 1 over R. So ito po yung notation if reciprocal. So we have 1 over 25 ohms, no? Okay, so for this one, we will use our calculator po. Yan. Okay. So, enable ko muna yung calculator ko dito. Screen. Okay. So, we have 1 over or divided by 25. Okay, so this is equal to 0.04. Okay, no? So we have 0.04. Ang unit po niyan is Siemens, yung S, no? Which ang sagot po dito is letter B. Okay? Next, a capacitor stores 0.2002 coulomb at 10 volts. So we need to find the capacitance. Okay, solution. So hinahanap po dito is yung capacitance. Okay. So to get po the capacitance, so the formula is C is equal to the charge divided by the voltage. No? So we have ang ating coulomb po is 0.002. That is the charge. Yung Q po natin yan. Coulomb. Then the voltage is 10 volts. No? So using our calculator, so we have 0.002 divide 10. Okay, so that is equal to 1 over 5,000. So click po natin to para maging decimal. So that is 2 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Pero hindi po to micro kasi yung micro po is 10 to the power of negative 6. So i-press po natin yung itong ing. That is 200 times 10 to the power of negative 6. So ito po is micro na po to. Okay, so we have 200 times 10 to the power of negative 6 farad. So ito po is micro. So we could have that one as 200 microfarad, which is letter B. Okay. Next, a 2 Henry coil experiences a current change of 4 amperes per second. So we need to find the induced voltage. Okay, solution. Okay, so yung ating induced voltage po is equals to L times the change in current, which is di dt, no? So yung L po natin na inductance is 2 Henry, habang yung ating change in current po is 4 amperes per second. So our voltage, no, for ano po pala, for inductance, ito po yung ginagamit natin na designation for voltage, yung maliit na E. So we have 2 times 4. So this is equal to 8. No? So this is equal to 8 volts, no? Which is letter C. Okay, next question po tayo. A capacitor stores 0.08 joule of energy when connected across a 100 volt source. Determine the capacitance of the capacitor. Okay, solution, no? So work done po sa ating capacitor is equals to 1/2 CE squared. So hinahanap po is yung C. So gagawin po natin is to manipulate po the given formula. Ilipat po natin tong 2 dito. So kasi nasa baba to, magiging times po yan dito sa kabila. So that will be 2W. So we're left with CE squared. So gusto natin ang matira ito is C. So ilipat natin sa kabila. Kasi ito times dito sa part na to. So pag ilipat sa kabila, magiging divide. So we have 2W E squared C. Okay? Then, pwede po natin itong pagpalitin yung position nila. So C is equals to 2W over E squared. Then, substitute po natin yung given. For the work, that is 0.08 joule. And for the voltage, no, that is 100 volt squared. Okay? So using our calculator, so we have 2 times 0.08, then divide that by 1,000 squared, no? So this is equal to, so fraction po siya. So itong SD muna para maging tawag doon, maging decimal. So ito 10 to the power negative 5. So hindi po yan micro pong choices dito. So we press the ing button. So yan, 16 times 10 to the power negative 6. We have 16. Okay, we have 16 times 10 to the power of negative 6 farad, no? So this is micro. So this is equal to 16 microfarad. farad, no, which is letter C. Okay? Next po. A copper wire has a resistance of 6 ohms and carries a current of 4 amperes. So, determine the power dissipated in the wire. Okay, solution. Okay, so yung ating hinahanap po is power. So, power is equals to I squared times R. So, ito po yung formula pag given po yung current at resistance. So, yung ating power po is 4, no? Squared. Habang yung R po natin is 6, no? So, we have 4 squared times 6, no? Yan. So, this is equal to 96 watts, no? Which is letter C. Okay? So, and that will be all po for this video. So, we have managed to solve 10 problems, no? Na madalas pong lumabas sa RME board exam. So, thank you po sa panonood. This is Engineer Iking, and as always, enjoy learning po.